Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking plumbing. We have a leaking or dripping faucet and we are going to show you why it's doing that. Let's head to the bathroom and take a look. All right, YouTubers, inside the bathroom now, and on the left-hand side, your old worn-out stem. On the right-hand side, that brand new shiny chrome stem. And look at the very bottom portion of each stem. On the brand new stem, you'll notice an orange ring. Well, that is your rubber gasket. Now take a look at the bottom portion of that old stem. Notice how you don't see any orange gasket or any gasket at all? That's because over the years of constantly opening and closing that handle and compressing and putting pressure on that gasket, it wears out, it shrinks, and over time loses all of its firmness and capability of creating that watertight seal. So what I want to do is I want to change the camera angle and I want to show you how this actual stem part and the mechanism inside works. Let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, I changed the camera angle and let's set the new stem to the side. Let's focus on the old stem, and the actual handle goes on this grooved portion here. Pay attention to that little slot there. As you open and close the actual handle, it moves that mechanism inside the stem. On the very bottom, it creates that watertight seal when it is shifted to the closed position. Look at that. That is your rubber gasket, and over time, it has been compressed to a point and worn out completely where it has lost all capability of creating that watertight seal. Now, as far as the rubber gasket, it's still in there, so that's a plus. However, it's so worn out it will never work. Here is the handle, and again, opening it and closing it. And that internal mechanism really depends on that rubber gasket. Now I'll set this old worn out stem to the side and check out this new stem. Look at the actual orange rubber gasket right here. Look how far it actually sticks out from the actual bottom portion of the stem. So this is a brand new and reliable rubber gasket. And this one is a little more difficult to turn by hand because it's brand new. However, look at that internal portion. When you shift it open, allows all the water to flow through. When you shift it closed, it creates that watertight seal. So with that said, I want to kind of scroll in slightly. Sorry about the light. See how that opens up and closes? It actually closes the entire gap of both triangle slots. Open, closed. So in the event that your bathroom sink faucet or any other sink faucet is leaking, chances are that is the main culprit cause of your issue. And all you need to do is remove your old stem, take it down to your local hardware store, match it up with the new stem, bring the new stem home, and replace it. Now, in the event that you need step-by-step guidance on how to replace this stem, definitely check out the link in the description below. It is an awesome step-by-step video that walks you through all the required steps to properly and safely replace this stem without getting yourself hurt or causing a massive plumbing leak. That would not be good. So definitely check that video link out. We'll see you at the next video. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.